Good morning. This is Kimberly Crawford coming to you to give you an update on the Abundance Network. And all I can say is, oh my goodness, this system has taken off. It is completely now set up for the SMS marketing. It took about a day or so off just to for the company to update everything. But as you can see, everything is ready to go. I've just hit $2,000 in the system simply by sharing this phone number, guys. Again, this is US and Canada only. Once you join the team, I'm going to give you specific Facebook training to get you up and running pretty quickly. There's a certain ad that me and my team are using that's getting a lot of attention on Facebook. I'm also allowing my team members only to use one of my videos. I'll give you more information about that. But if you can simply share this number, whether it's on Facebook, if you want to make flyers, business cards, I'm on Instagram marketing now, YouTube, however you want. All you have to do is drive traffic to the phone number, guys, and the system is literally going to close people into your business. You also get to enter your own whatever program that you're marketing, enter that program into the system, and you can also use that to build that business, guys. So again, this system is it has to be one of the easiest systems I've ever used. I'll be honest. It's completely automated. Everything is set up for you. It's a business in a box. All you have to do is get started, get activated, and then you're going to be assigned your number, and then you can just start promoting, guys. Again, you don't need a website for this, right? There's no website needed for this. Once you get started, all you need to do is advertise the phone number, no crazy setups. You don't need a funnel. If you decide to get a funnel, you can. I'm not even using a funnel. I'm literally just advertising the phone number that you see right here, guys. And I've made $2,000. I'm about to scale it up and probably run some Facebook ads. I got Facebook ad training for my specific team. I got training to show you how you can use how you can also incorporate a text number. If you just want to have people text really quickly. Sometimes people won't call as quick as they'll text, so they can also text a number, and I'll show you how to get that set up, guys, to get this link with the system. Just want to give you some updated proof. Just hit $2,000. I got a couple more people that's going to be joining this morning. Guys, I'm excited. Again, all I've been doing is just sharing the phone number and letting the system close my sales. There's no need to sell, tell, or explain. Just let the system close your sales. And follow up with the individuals that's looking to get started, guys. So just want to give you a quick testimonial that the system works. I'm excited about it. If you can tell in my voice, I'm extremely excited because I know there's going to be so much money to be made with this system, guys. The compensation plan is awesome. So you're going to be making money in your sleep. If you have any questions, get with me. If not, just give the number a call, US and Canada, and get started. I'll get you plugged into my team training. I'll get you plugged into my team chat group, the money team, of course, guys, and help you get started on the right foot, okay? See you on the next video. Take care.